Praise God. We're thankful for your love and support. And also they are talking about this room. This room's roof is very rough. If there will be wind and storm, then it will be fallen and be destroyed the things, and this family will be get a big loss. So this family have requested for helping for plaster these walls of this room and change for the broken roof of this room. They will much appreciated and thankful to helping this project to help this poor family to repair the work for this room.